Hello, in today's tutorial, I am going to give you a quick tip on how to remove your credit card or your bank accounts from this interface in your banking download. Keep in mind that this does not delete the credit card or the bank account from your chart of accounts or remove it from your reports. It simply deletes it from the interface. And there might be a variety of reasons for this, but ultimately it's because you are no longer using those accounts or downloading transactions from those accounts, so you don't really want them to appear here. And the very simple way to do that is to click on this pencil icon, and then you're going to click on Edit Account Info. And then when you scroll down over here, you will see there will be an option to disconnect this account unsaved. Simply click on that. It's going to obviously give you a warning message. It wants to make sure that you want to do it. And you should make sure that this is the correct course of action for your situation. Click on yes, and then simply click on save. So now when I go to refresh the page, you'll see that it no longer appears here. And then you can go in, and if you have another account, you can go ahead and link the account. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I will try my best to answer it. Have a great day.